every day together, always. I really feel that boozing's my best friend. I can't believe this COVID's the end. It looks as though you're everywhere I go, and you're so on my grill and it totally blows. Don't sneeze, I know just what you're spraying, so please stop the contagion. Social distance or you'll hurt. Don't leave, I know what you're thinking, but we're staying home all season, wearing masks around to hurt. There's no ending unless people stop befriending from afar. You and me, I can see us fighting for TP. 6 feet, I know just what you're spraying, so please stop the contagion. Social distance